Hello everybody. We will talk today about Blazor. Okay. Why Microsoft make Blazor? Microsoft make Blazor because it's client side. So there is many framework in JavaScript like Angular, React, and all of this framework is client side and it's single one page. Okay. So this good performance and Microsoft wants to make the same by C sharp. Okay, there is two kind of Blazor. One is client side is WebAssembler. Okay, they're using WebAssembler. Browser have now all most of browser have WebAssembler feature, which mean you can run C sharp code inside browser, not JavaScript only. Only Internet Explorer not have this feature. Okay, so you have to. They make two kind of Blazor. First one is WebAssembler. Okay, Blazor WebAssembler or Blazor client, and the second one is Blazor server. Blazor server mean all the page will render in the server, and all reaction, any reaction happened in the browser will send to the server and server send back by WebSocket. Okay, so we will talk today about Blazor client. We will open new project. Okay, and we choose Blazor app, and then we can name it uh, one. Then create. You see there is two options: Blazor server app, Blazor WebAssembly app. Okay, so we will choose Blazor WebAssembly app and HTTPS. Okay, then create. Okay, now it's created. Okay, so we check www root. What is www root? www root will have CSS files. If there is any JavaScript file, we can also put here. Index HTML is our application. Okay, and then pages. Pages is our pages. Every page have its own razor. Okay, and you see the razor can contain HTML plus C sharp code. Okay. Also, there is another way you can make this page. You can make one file for HTML and the other file for C sharp. Okay, how you can do this? You can make like this. Add new class. Okay, and make the same name. If we make we need to make the counter page. Write on this counter dot razor dot cs. Add. Okay, and make this partial and put here the code from here. Then you can add code this. So inside the class like this. That's all. Now we have two files for counter page. One file for HTML only is .razor, okay, and the other file is C sharp file .cs, same name but .cs. Let's run this application and see what happened. Okay, perfect. It's loading. and every page, this index page, okay, this counter, this fetch data. Let's try counter. Okay, it's working. So you need to define also the route for the page here. Add page and put your route. You write this in the browser, it will go directly to this page slash counters, and it will go to this counter page. Okay, these pages. Every page have its own file, Razor file or Razor and CS file. Okay, C index. The route is slash only. This is our home. Now shared. What is shared? Shared, you can make many component. Okay, many component. So every component have also its own Razor and CS file or Razor only, like this. And then you can call this component from any page, or component can have many components inside. Okay, so component can have many components inside. Here we have main layout. This is our main. Okay, and inside it add body. So add body, we will fill this with our pages. Okay, our pages. This one, this one, this one. Nav menu. So sure, nav menu may be called somewhere here. Nav menu already called in our main layout. You see, nav menu. So this component, main layout, call nav menu, which is this. Okay, and also this have HTML and code. Add code, then your code. You can do like this. Okay. Survey prompt also is called somewhere here in index. You see, but this have parameter, component parameter title. We will talk later about component, how you can create component, and also how you can make component in NuGet. Okay. The more important thing is component must be to be reusable. So you can reuse it again and again and again here in same application or in the other application. Okay. Our imports dot result. What is our imports dot result? Imports dot result will have all using. You can make using for anything as you want. So you can make here is the import at using. So your pages or your component will defined, will know about it, because it's already defined here in imports.razor. Okay, app result is our entry point for application. Program you can make here anything like startup. Here there is no startup file in client, in Blazor client, no any startup file. Okay, all your startup or what you want, you can put it in program like this. You see, he already make HTTP client here in our program, in our main program. So this will depends the injection for all pages. So you can call it in any page or any component. Okay, this HTTP client, because if you wanted to call any API, C# API, Node.js API, any API, you can call it by HTTP client. We will talk about this later in details. Okay, so this all today. We finish our introduction for Blazor client, and the source code I will upload it in GitHub. You will find the link in the description and down in this video. Okay, thanks for watching. See you.